Today I was on YouTube looking up CWI information, certified welding inspector, and I run across this channel called Technical Courses. And I noticed that 7 of my videos were on this channel. I mean, word for word, they didn't change anything. So I'm gonna click on one of them and show you. As you can see, it says Technical Courses. And they didn't even move my name. They left Glenn Lewis on there and they copied it word from word. You look at the length of the video, it's 7 minutes and 35 seconds. So I'm gonna go to my channel, my YouTube channel. And I'm gonna bring up this video that he copied. As you can see, it's 7 minutes and 36 seconds. I'm gonna click on it. Okay, I'm gonna pause it. I mean, nothing was changed, just copied everything. So I'm gonna file a infringement. So I'm gonna hit report. I'm gonna go to infringe my rights and choose one and infringe my copyright. Hit next. Hit submit complaint. And click this button here, copyright infringement. Somebody copied my creation. Who's affected? I am. So you go to and copy the URL from their website, which this one is Technical Courses, and you could paste it in. Okay, it says my YouTube channel was reloaded by another user. Now you copy your URL. So you can go to your channel. Just go here to the top, hit copy or Control C and Control V and paste it in. They copied the entire video. So next you go down here and fill this information out. I'm putting my name, Glenn Lewis. Authority to make this complaint, Glenn Lewis, and I'm putting a secretary email address. And then you fill out your information, your full name, your address, your city, state, your telephone number, and fax if you want to. Whoever created this channel have had it for they stopped posting comments or content on January 22nd. But for those 14 days, they have uploaded close to 400 videos, technical videos from other channels also. So make sure you check all these and enter your name and hit submit complaint. And it surprised me, after I submitted all 7 of these, YouTube removed them from his channel or the Technical Course channel within 1 hour. So I hope this video helped. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.